Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your name, how you would like to be called on the My Calendar period tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Scroll down to the personal section and tap on your name. Here you can see your name that has been set when you have registered to this app, but delete it and type in your new name, how you would like to be called by the app, and then click on the save button in the middle of the screen to save your name, and then it will be updated automatically. So feel free to change it anytime by coming back to this section. That's pretty much it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.